When working with standard Revit tools, adding multiple links at the project start is time-consuming. We have to add the links manually one by one through the Links Manager. How can we speed up this process? Links Manager plugin allows easy batch loading and unloading of links in Revit models. The solution supports various formats, gives an opportunity to manage the work sets of the links, and ensures convenient management of the linked files. Open tab Necker and select Links Manager. The plugin interface consists of three main elements. Path to BIM models specify the folder with files to be loaded as the linked ones. Main workspace, the links are added and managed here. Link loading settings, which contain placement parameters and additional settings for the linked files. The work begins with selecting a folder containing the files to be loaded. You can select a folder either from a local disk or from the Revit server. Three tabs are displayed in the left side of the main area: RVT, CAD, IFC. Each tab shows the files of the corresponding format suitable for loading into the model. The right side shows the models that have been already loaded into the project, the current links. Let's load the necessary files into the open architectural model. The files can be transferred by double-clicking or clicking the transfer arrow. After the links have been transferred, they get preparing to load status, which can be cancelled with one click. It's important to specify in which way the links will be placed in the model. Available options: by shared coordinates, by center to center, by internal origin, by project base point. If coordinates are already set in models, use placement by shared coordinates. Click Start, and the plugin begins loading the links one by one. After the links have been successfully loaded, make sure that they are present, switch to Project Mode or open Links Manager. What functions are available for working with the linked files? For Revit links, Workset Management is ready for use. Go to tab Worksets, which shows all sets, hidden and open. Here you can disable specific worksets to exclude complex elements from the model and avoid overloading the project. By default, all worksets with the prefix link or suffix hide are disabled to hide the links themselves. The status of the linked file shows the operation that was or will be performed. Available actions: unload locally, unload from model, update, update from current location, delete. Let's demonstrate how each operation affects the link. Select the necessary operation for each link. Click Run, and the plugin will load, unload, update, or remove the links according to their status. After the operations have been completed, the link statuses will update to loaded. Unloaded. Unloaded for user. If a linked file is no longer needed in the model, move it back to the left window. Thus, the link will be removed instead of being unloaded from the model. The same way, the links are added in tab CAD. The operation principle is similar to embedding files through Links Manager and tab CAD formats in Revit. Before setting a link, switch to the plan of the needed floor through tab View and select the necessary level for snapping. In menu Link Load Settings, you can specify import units, necessary layers or levels, placement method in the model. For example, set snapping to the 6th floor and click Run. The links have been successfully uploaded. Check their availability on the floor plan and in Links Manager. Similarly, the links are set in tab IFC. Add files to set the links and click Run. After successful loading, check if the links have been set correctly in the project. As a result, setting up the links of various formats in just a few clicks significantly speeds up the workflow. Thanks to the workset management, the strain on the model is reduced. And Batch Link Management simplifies the work process. Links Manager plugin significantly improves the work with Revit model, saving your time and enhancing project quality. Download Installation Manager to install this and our other solutions. You can leave a development request or feedback on the plugin through the Installation Manager using the feedback button, or send it to our email. Eneka, smart plugins for efficient work.